Yeah, mawanje. You see, this is what I've been talking about masvondo esaya. Vamwe vakangomirira kuti SADC ichauya kuzovabatsira. Meanwhile, vana Munangagwe vari kungorepa nyika takatarisa right now. Tichingomirira kuti tichabatsirwa neSADC, Mwari vachapindira. It's not going to happen, people. Matuzha ari kutoenderera mberi takatarisa right now. And I'll tell you what. This right here, this is not about Kubamari, like ministry. Most people are going to think that Munangagwe Kubamari in his last term. It has nothing to do with Kubamari, because they don't need this kid in position Kutubabe Mari. What this is trying to set up a dynasty. He's trying to prepare his son to take over. That's what this is about. This is like little mini president in training. Sagavana Chamisa, if they do not get their shit together and figure out how to get more votes from Anaguma Mishak, mark my words, in 10-15 years Kampana Kandoga Nenga president. You know what? Marivacha Pindira, Chamisa is the president, and stuff like that. We need to really focus on what's going on here and get our heads on straight. SADC is not going to get involved. Munangagwe is going to continue the protocol yake, the agenda yake, and nothing will change. Meanwhile, Kampana Kakago to train president.